So, what the heck is going on with our Spokane County area real estate market? Are we really in a buyer's market, as they have reported on the national news stations? What about home prices? Are they coming down in our area? Hi, I'm Mike Doggett from Windermere Real Estate City Group with a quick August of 2025 market snapshot. One thing is for sure, our market has definitely changed. I went back to a market update video that I did on July 25th of 2024 to compare just how much it has changed, and will share the differences with you in this video. On July 25th, 2024, I reported there was 1,687 active listings on the MLS in Spokane County, which was a 2.4 months of inventory with a median list price of $515,000 and a median time on market of 35 days. Now, compare that to today. According to the SAR website, our active inventory in July of 25 was 3,371 active listings, or 4.7 months supply of inventory with a median list price of $495,000 and median days on market of 41 days. A normal or balanced market is where we have a 4.6 month supply of homes on the market. As you can see, the above data, we have moved into the buyer's market at 4.7 months supply, which will come as no surprise to those who may have been trying to sell their home during these times. However, we are still showing a 0.5% rise in the median sales price, so values are not going down. What I have seen is that listing prices have moderated and more sellers are willing to negotiate the price and or the terms of a sale. The one consistent thing we have seen since July of 2024 has been the interest rates that have seemed stuck in that 6.7 to 7% range. On July 25th of 2024, I reported that interest rates on that day averaged around 6.71%. Since that date, our interest rates have hovered around the 6.7 to 7.0 range. As you can see by this chart, after a lower than expected jobs report, the interest rates have finally broken through that 6.7 floor to 6.58% for a 30-year fixed. Even though our inventory is now higher than pre-pandemic levels, as seen in this chart, we still have an inventory shortage here in Spokane County, which is why we continue to see values going up. The median sales price of $427,283 and the average list price of almost $610,000, what is probably more of a factor is the affordability of homes, especially for our first-time home buyers. The combination of high interest rates with rising home values has priced so many buyers out of the market. So what does this mean for you? For home sellers, we are in a market where pricing your home right from the start will be a determining factor in time on market and how much you sell your home for. Overpricing your home could result in lower buyer interest in an already tough market, which can lead to a much longer market time. For home buyers, the interest rates are improving, which means we are likely to see a lot more home buyers enter back into the market, meaning a lot more competition. If you haven't done so yet, start the process of getting pre-approved with a reputable lender. Also, there are ways to negotiate for an even lower interest rate, which can make a significant improvement in your monthly mortgage payment. Ask about interest rate buy-down information. There you go, my August of 2025 market update. I appreciate you taking the time to watch, and if you have any additional questions about real estate or the home buying or selling process, you can comment below or contact me directly. I'd be honored to help guide you through the real estate process. Please share this with anyone you know who may be considering a move to our beautiful Spokane County area. Once again, thanks for taking the time, and we'll talk to you soon.